This is going to be a video of the elevators at the Hyatt Siesta Key Resort or Residence Club in Siesta Key, Florida. It's waiting for us. Here's a directory. Let's go up to 6. Here we are in 6. Here's just a little lookout. We're gonna go back down the G. Here's your cab view. This is a pretty tall cab, actually. My camera just went out of focus. There it is. And again, it has a rear door. This door is used for floor 3. Oh, someone's getting on, actually. Someone was there, they didn't want to get on though. So anyway, here's a look at this. And it's rumbling a little bit. And also it was kind of a rough stop when we got to 3. Well, not rough in the sense that it was sun, but rough that it made a lot, like the elevator made a lot of noise. There's elevator number 1. And we're gonna wait a little bit because elevator number 2 is locked. At least it was the last time I was here. So we're gonna wait for the next elevator, or the next time elevator 1 comes down, and then we're gonna go back up to 6, and we're gonna get to elevator 2 from there. Here's the other elevator. You can hear the motor from here. Let's watch the button go out. Here, that better reflects what color the actual button is, because it's kind of a red color. It's not so much pink. And here it is. Let's see, can we get 6 doesn't work, 5 doesn't work, 4 doesn't work, 3 doesn't work, 2 doesn't work. Again, we're locked out. But we're just gonna go down to the ground floor. Unfortunately, this is the elevator that has the better motor, but oh well. I did get to go up on this elevator back in September of 2016. And I think I did it once before as well on video, by like just waiting for someone to call it, but I can't remember. I can't remember if I did that or not. Also, one of the lanterns is burned out. We're just gonna... Also, here's a certificate. I don't think... Yeah, I haven't seen a whole lot of people. I guess, you know, it's 11:45 in the morning. So it's like a lot of people are either just like staying in their rooms, or they're, you know, they're not like checking out or checking in or anything. There's probably not gonna be a whole lot of people using this elevator. I'll be surprised if anyone calls it now, but I'm just gonna show you the cab. And yeah, again, here's your directory. It doesn't look like we're going anywhere, and as you see, they're all locked. Okay. There it goes. And that's it.